Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to enable gesture navigation on TCL NxtPaper 7e Pro. I do have the gesture navigation. That means I have the bar on the bottom of my screen, and it supports different gestures. But before I explain them, let's see how to enable them. You'll need to get to the settings, then scroll all the way down to get to system. Now you'll find navigation mode, and you can set it to gesture navigation or button navigation. And let's set it to gesture navigation. Now I'll explain how to use it. To go to the home screen immediately, you can just slide up from the bottom of the screen. To go to recently opened apps, you can slide up and hold for a moment. Then it'll show you the recently opened apps. You can clear all of them. You can slide any of them out. You can also click here in order to open it in floating window mode, in split screen, or lock it. So when it's locked and you click clear all of the apps will be cleared besides the one that are locked. Now let's go to the settings, and I'll show you one more thing, which is going back within an app. If you want to go back, you can slide from the left side towards the center, but just very shortly, or from the right side towards the center. So they both go back. When you slide towards the side and hold, it will open this sidebar, which lets you use some tools like translation, writing assist, writing a note, or anything else. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.